So painting number 2 in series 1, Boat on Water, is a lot of fun. When I do my live classes, this is probably the one that people have the most fun with. It's probably one of the easiest ones in the series. So as in painting number 1, Marblehead Lighthouse, you will require fluid acrylic pour background to be done ahead of time, and the video for that is included in this class. So if you don't want to do that background though, you can just paint something in behind, blue sky, blue water. But this class will not include painting the background. We are going to focus on painting the boat, the reflection, and the clouds in behind the boat. So you decide what you want to do. I do encourage you to try the fluid acrylic pour though. It's super easy and the result that you get is just stunning. So I really hope that you do that. So the paints that we're going to require to do this are white. Again, Liquitex Basics is a basic beginner level paint, and I recommend you find that. Some of the ones I have on the table are from different providers, but that's just because I have a ton of different paints. But you can just use Liquitex Basics and would be fine. So a white, a yellow, an orange, and a red. There's so many different reds. Just find a red that you like. If you don't have orange, then yellow with a little bit of red in it makes orange. I have 2 blues again, so doesn't matter, but a darker blue and a lighter blue. I have phthalo blue and cerulean blue, but you use 2 blues that work for you. I have a purple, but if you don't have a purple, you can simply mix red, blue, and white together and get purple. We're going to be making several tones of purple, so we can have a lot of fun with color mixing there, and you're going to need a little bit of black. So as in our first painting, Marblehead Lighthouse, you're going to use the same brushes. So 2 flats and a round. So a flat brush simply means the bristles go straight across the top, and round is very much round. So you just need 2 different sizes of flat brush that you feel comfortable with, and a round brush for some of the detail work. We use a plastic dinner size plate that you get at the dollar store for our palette. And you want a bucket or cup of water, and you need some paper towel to dab your brush on. I use a palette knife to mix my colors, but if you don't have that, you can use your brush. So get yourself organized with your supplies, and I look forward to painting Boat on Water with you.